Hey, I'm Mark, and today I'm building a 12-foot table, and I was going to show you a trick on the legs. These are solid ones. My client happens to be my wife. She wanted solid pieces of wood and not a bunch of laminated ones. And wood has a tendency to split and crack from the center part of the wood out. I don't know if you can see the cracks that are in here starting. So to keep that from happening, I have drilled holes against the grain like that, or I guess you'd say with the grain, and just glue in a dowel, and that'll help hold it in. Here's one I've already done, sanded a few minutes ago. Now she hadn't made up her mind yet on what color she wants it, or she wants it stained or painted, but sometimes when I stain them, I'll do the dowel a little different color stain, or put a little glue on it so it won't stain all around it, make it stand out. And other times I just try to hide it all together. So what I want to do is just put a little glue on my dowel. I'm using Titebond 2, a fast setting exterior glue. This table's going to go out on my patio, so it will be exposed to the year-round weather conditions. So that's another reason why I wanted to put these dowels in. And this table's upside down right now. I'm going to make the frame and attach it here in a minute. But that's the gist of it there. Take a flush cut saw, cut it off and sand it. Well, this is a 6" by 6" cedar beam. It's going to go on a neighborhood sign, and I have split it in half on my sawmill and turned them around and glued them back together so that the grain will be opposite, because it's going to be exposed to summer, winter, rain, hot and cold, and they have a tendency to warp through the years. So I turn the grain backwards and glue them together so that it'll stay straight, and then I'll take and put a bunch of dowels in it, and these I tried to hide. This is going to be a neighborhood, holding up a neighborhood sign at the entrance to the neighborhood. Well, when I'm finished, I'll get a couple of pictures of it. Well, there's the finished table. I did not use a stain on it. We just used a spar urethane, clear satin, water-based. And you can still see the little dowels. That should hold the legs together from splitting through the decades. As you can see, my patio is like 42 feet long. You can see it will be exposed to the weather. There's our old tables. Well, I'll get you a shot of the sign I'm doing next. Well, that's the finished product. We're in Andalusia, Alabama, and you can see all the little wooden dowels maybe, and that will keep it together, and hopefully that'll last a good 50 years without having to do something. Well, we appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you on the next video.